안녕하세요. 이번 시간에 연습할 10개 단어는 영어, 수학, 도덕, 사회, 과학, 체육, 음악, 미술, 실과, 컴퓨터로 일하다. 이해해요. 지금부터 각 단어를 원어민 영어로 3번씩 들어볼 거예요. 어떻게 발음되는지 주의해서 들어보세요.
She took English classes there when she was pregnant with me.
Somehow she found time to study English and gain
I decided to run off to Italy to teach English for a year.
Part 2, a math test.
Things weren't that straightforward. Acting is not like math, where there is only one
work. Check the math. Make sure it's actually true.
educated, and extra tuition in English and mathematics was budgeted.
Abstractions of astrophysics, the mathematics that is beyond our...
In many ways, mathematics is like craftsmanship in some ways.
That lay claim to moral authority, to a central role in moral education.
And that the void of moral education is the paramount.
Research on exemplars and the use of exemplars in moral education. I am a consultant.
And this is what we learn in social studies as kids.
Where you see in a class who has differing views and then commit part of social studies time to have people talk.
Math, science, social studies, how cities work,
like the hands-on science museum, like the Exploratorium.
But this science has given me a whole new appreciation for stress.
It's actually the complexity that science has given us. And
I grew up in a little town in North Wales called Ruthin, and my mum was a PE teacher.
A music teacher, a PE teacher, a librarian, a nurse.
My kid brings home an A in PE. We're not going to Disneyland.
Instruction in physical education.
Why are recess in physical education shrinking?
Exciting to think about electronic music, contemporary art.
Can you blame us for wanting to listen to beautiful music and cry together? Coming in and maybe you're listening to some phantasmagorical music that's tripping you out.
Electronic music, contemporary artwork's role in, expanding the possibilities.
Studying visual art, I figured I'd learn something about how
art. The first idea is that art should be for art's sake. A ridiculous
that I took 16 years ago when I was studying fine art at university in Sheffield.
Animation, then illustration, then fine art.
Quite a practical course.
Theatre practice, which I teach, which is a practical course, can only be done on site.
It's a practical course. It's 2.5 days, but it's...
And how I work on a computer now is very, very similar to how I worked in the darkroom.
But adding arbitrary patches to a model to make it work on a computer screen is...
If your work involves complex work on a computer today, you might be out of work.
다음은 안 보고 말하는 연습이에요. 눈을 감고 한글과 영어를 모두 큰 소리로 따라해보세요. 이런 걸 쉐도잉이라고도 해요.
41뜻 영어 In English, English 42 뜻 수학 In English, math or mathematics 43 뜻 도덕 In English, moral education 44 뜻 사회 In English, social studies 45 뜻 과학 In English, science 46 뜻 체육 In English, PE or physical education 47 뜻 음악 In English, music 48 뜻 미술 In English, art or fine art 49 뜻 실과 In English, practical course 50 뜻 컴퓨터로 일하다 In English, work on a computer
참 잘하셨어요. 그럼 이제 마지막 단계로 지난 시간에 배운 단어들을 같은 방식으로 복습해 볼게요.
1뜻 교실 In English, classroom 2 뜻 수업 In English, lesson 3 뜻 대학 강의 In English, lecture 4 뜻 선생님 In English, teacher 5 뜻 대학 교수
In English, professor. 6. 뜻, 선생님용 책상. In English, teacher's desk. 7. 뜻, 팔걸이가 있는 의자. In English, armchair. 8. 뜻, 칠판. In English, blackboard. 9. 뜻, 텔레비전 세트. In English, television set. 10. 뜻, 벽시계. In English, clock. 11. 뜻, 학생용 책상. In English, student's desk. 12. 뜻, 학생. In English, student. 13. 뜻, 컴퓨터. In English, computer. 14. 뜻, 팔걸이가 없는 의자. In English, armless chair. 15. 뜻, 게시판. In English, bulletin board. 16. 뜻, 지도. In English, geographical map. 17. 뜻, 시각자료. In English, visual aids. 18. 뜻, 책장. In English, bookcase. 19. 뜻, 지구본. In English, globe. 20. 뜻, 교육기관. In English, educational institute. 21. 뜻, 유치원. In English, kindergarten. 22. 뜻, 초등학교. In English, elementary school or primary school. 23. 뜻, 중학교. In English, middle school. 24. 뜻, 고등학교. In English, high school. 25. 뜻, 대학교. In English, university or college. 26. 뜻, 대학원. In English, graduate school. 27. 뜻, 학교 아니고 짝꽃. In English, places in a school. 28. 뜻, 강당. In English, auditorium. 29. 뜻, 식당. In English, cafeteria. 30. 뜻, 도서관. In English, library. 31. 뜻, 체육관. In English, gym or gymnasium. 32. 뜻, 운동장. In English, playground or field. 33. 뜻, 교장실. In English, principal's office. 34. 뜻, 교무실. In English, teacher's room or staff room. 35. 뜻, 상담실. In English, counselor's room. 36. 뜻, 양호실. In English, school infirmary. 37. 뜻, 과학실. In English, science room. 38. 뜻, 미술실. In English, art room. 39. 뜻, 교과목들. In English, subjects. 40. 뜻, 국어. In English, Korean or language art.
오늘도 수고 많으셨어요. 그럼 다음 시간에 꼭 다시 만나요.
I'll be back.